I'm going to go ahead and do 3. This is from 1.7. So we got 3 consecutive integers. This equals 66. Do this the same way we did in class, all right? So first I need to define my variable x, which is the smallest number, all right? Now these are consecutive integers, which means they're just one right after another. For example, you could look at numbers such as 77, 78, and 79. These would be 3 consecutive integers. Integers means that you don't have any decimals or fractions in the numbers, okay? So these would be 3 consecutive. They're one right after another. So what does that mean in terms of an equation? Well, I'd have my smallest number, and then my second number would be my smallest number, but it's going to be one more than that. Now, the third number, in comparison to that first number, x, it's not going to be one bigger than it. It's going to be one bigger than my previous term, which was x plus 1. So I would have to add x plus 2 onto that. And this is 66. So, as it turns out, I can actually just ignore those parentheses like this at this point. The reason I had them there before was to indicate that we were dealing with these 3 different numbers, okay? So what we're going to want to do is combine those 3 x's. And I have 3 of those x's. So I'm going to get that written in there, 3 of those x's. And if I combine my numbers here, my constants, I would have an additional 3. And this is going to equal 66. So this looks like a pretty normal equation. You guys should be able to solve this, and most of you demonstrated that you can. Just going to subtract 3 from both sides, giving us a 0 there. That's a 63 equals the 3x. Finally, you'll divide by 3 on both sides, and you would find that your x is 21. Now this isn't finished though, because x was just the smallest number, and we need 3 consecutive integers. Well, if 21 is the smallest, the next biggest one would be 22, and the next biggest one is 23. Final thing, once again, you would want to just check this, and we can do that by simply adding 21 plus 22 plus 23, which needs to equal 66, which it does. You can put that into any calculator and see, and that works. All right, thanks for watching this one too, you guys. Good luck on your math homework.